Well, here we are, the sun is shining, and what are we looking at? This beautiful Moto Guzzi Sport 1100 finished in this stunning shade of red. Now, this lovely 96 example has been imported by ourselves from Japan and has just been MOT'd, and we're currently awaiting registration paperwork from DVLA, and the bike will be registered on an age-related plate. Now, this one here has only covered 59,603 kilometres, which is just over 37,000 miles, and as you can see, she's a bit of a stunner. Now, the general condition of the bike was good, though the bodywork had a few marks, so we took the decision to have the bodywork repainted in the correct colour, correct finish, with the correct decals. At the same time, we pulled the engine and gearbox. Normally these are finished in a shade of silver, but that paint had flaked off, which often happens, so we refinished the heads, barrels, everything, and the blocks with a heat resistant satin black, and also fitted a new clutch at the same time. The rocker boxes we refinished ourselves in-house and lacquer, so they look beautiful. All the original fastenings have been replated, so everything is how it should and how it left the factory. We've also fitted new fuel taps. The original electronic ones do not work that well, so we fitted them for manual ones, so you have proper on, off and reserve. Now, this lovely example has an all original exhaust system. This is the Lafranconi system that came with from the factory, and this one has no dents, no scrapes. Usually there's some marks either at the front or the back of the silencer on these, and these are all mark free, which is a rare thing. Full service, as I've mentioned, so all fluids have been changed, filters, plugs, everything done. New battery, of course, and Bridgestone tyres. We've got T31s front and rear, so great tyres. Also fitted new brake pads front and rear. Now let's hear how she sounds with the ignition on, neutral light, battery light and oil light. So if we just press the button there, that's as it should be. Battery light's gone off to say it's charging, and the oil light's gone off to say the pressure's come up. So everything as it should be on this bike. Now you'll notice the seats are in fantastic condition. We had those covered by the super talented Clive, and we went for a charcoal black, which I think looks super nice on the bike, and complements the paintwork beautifully. Typical Moto Guzzi rocking, Guzzi red. And as you can see, quite a stunner. Now the bike is, as I said, mentioned before, 12 months MOT and also 12 months warranty. And we're happy to deliver this bike anywhere in the UK or the world. Just contact us for details. On a little side note, we're just waiting for the inlet rubbers to come, new ones. These got little, they go hard and they crack. We will be replacing these as a matter of course, and that I think is it really. The bike's got everything there. So if you're looking for a stunning 90s Italian bike that really is a picture, lovely to ride, I run one of these myself, please feel free to contact us. She's going live tonight on YouTube and Instagram, and she'll be on the weekend on Car and Classic and our own website, classicandrare.co.uk. So any questions, we look forward to hearing from you. And once again, a stunning bike, the best shade, Moto Guzzi 1100 Sport.